paper pattern for English language. Examination, when you are writing English paper, you have to write English language, or you have to write like the English paper 1, bracket language. Literature, English paper 2, bracket literature. This is paper 1, that is paper 2. So this way you have to write down, okay. Now, here what comes for examination, all questions compulsory. Question 1 is composition. Composition means essay writing. There will be almost yes. Out of that, one will be picture composition. Question 2, letter writing. Question 3, notice and email. Question 4, unseen passage or comprehension. And question 5, grammar exercises. Okay? These sets of questions means total 5 questions. Main 5 questions will be there. Composition, there will be 5 set of composition like narrative, imaginative, argumental, and descriptive. Okay, sometimes instead of the story writing also comes. Okay, that is, if more set, maybe E or F questions will be there. So out of that, narrative, imaginative, argumentative, descriptive, sometimes story writing, all these come, and picture composition. So composition carries off 20 marks. Okay, 20 marks essay you have to write. Maximum 300 to 350 words. 300 to 350 or 400 means maximum you can go through 2 pages, 2.5 page maximum. Okay. Now next is letter writing. Letter writing 10 marks. You know 2 kind of letter comes here, formal and informal. Okay. You have to do any one, either formal or informal. Okay. Next is notice, email. Both compulsory. It is not or. Notice or email. Children get confused doing any one. You have to do both because each carrying 5 marks. 5 from notice, 5 for email. So 10 marks it is. Next is unseen passage, or you can say comprehension. Unseen passage, I told you, passage will be given. Out of that, word meaning will be given. You have to choose the meaning from the passage. Then questions will be given. You have to find out the answer from the passage. No need to make the answer of your own words. From the passage, see the lines, same lines you can quote it. Just grammar sense you can put up there, have, had and all these things that you have to do. And last, grid form. I have made the video for grid form, 50 words, how you have to write. Okay, so that grid form is compulsory. That is, you have to write the summary of it, or some part will be given from this para to this para. Summarize it into 50 words. So those 50 words you will make a grid and you will write it down. Okay, that way you have to do it. Then next is grammar exercises. That is also of 20 marks. Yes, this is 20 marks. How as it is given in your total English book. Same way the set of question comes. First what? That is what you say? Prepositions. Then this para, right, this like a paragraph is given where you have to fill up the correct form of verb. Means the correct form of verb you have to write. Then preposition is there. Then and, but or so, without adding and, but or so. Okay, and last will be transformation. Last will be transformation. So this set will be given, 4 set of questions. Means in question 5 there will be 4 set. One will be verb 1, correct form of verb. Second will be preposition. Third will be joining without and, but or so. And last is transformation. Transformation, or it is given do as directed. Okay, same way the question comes do as directed. Means in this question, all set of grammar part comes there. Active, passive, tense, direct, indirect, then this comparative degrees and all these part comes in question number 541, transformation, where in bracket it is given no. I have done the revision also of that. In bracket given begin with this, end with this, use this, all this thing will come. Verb para will be given. 8 questions will be there. You have to form the correct verb. Preposition also, it will be written the question use appropriate word, but that does not mean you will use any word. Only prepositions you have to write down there. Without adding and, but or so means you don't have to use these 3 words, these 3 conjunctions and, but and so. Out of the leaving this you can use any conjunctions like when, that. Okay, this is actually this one. Simple, complex, compound kind of sentence what you have to join it. 2 sentences you have to join it with using other conjunctions leaving this 3 and, but or so. And this do as directed, transformations, all different set of questions will be there from different part of grammar. Indication will be given to you in the bracket what you have to do here. Accordingly you have to do, but without changing the meaning. Meaning should not be changed. Sense should be same. Okay, you have to change it according to the using the proper way, but meaning should be same of question also and what answer you are giving. Meaning should be same. Clear? So this many set of question comes in language, and do accordingly and start each question on a fresh page. Like if you have completed this essay in 2 pages, 1/2 page will be given in the front also. If you have not seen the board copies, board copy, the starting will be 1/2 page. You can start from there the essay, then 2 pages more you have to do. So it will be completed 2.5 page. Then start the letter from the fresh page. Never, children, never start the letter from below the essay, because half will be here, half will be there. So it is it is the condition that you have to write letter on the fresh page. In 1 page only start, and that same page you finish it. That much enough. No need to make a story in the letter. That page starting, that page finishing. Then next fresh page, notice, email. 1 page notice, email, both can come. According to the format if you are going to write. Story you are writing of notice, email, then you are gone. But format you are going to write, so 1 page notice will also come, email will also come. Okay, so 1 page notice, email, 1 page letter. Now the remaining pages, now turn the page and then you can start unseen passage. Word meaning and all that will probably take 2 pages. 1 pages there will be word meaning and question answer. Maybe question answer will go little to the next page. Then remaining page you can do the grid form. Grid form you can do both the way, rough draft and fair draft. Rough you can make, cut it off, write the fair one in the next page or same page. Or if you are very much sure with the answer of summarizing, directly you can make the fair draft and write it down. 50 words. Then the grammar part from remaining pages you can do it. Only to write answer in the grammar part. No need to make the right complete sentence. Correct verb 1, 2, 3, 4 write it, write the answer. Preposition 1, 2, 3, 4 write the proper preposition. Join and but or so, answer only to be written. Transformation only, answer to be written. Just write. Leave one line in each set and write the answer clearly and neatly. And do it sequence wise. It's not like first you have done the letter, essay you have written at the last. No. Start as the pattern is given. Question 1 essay, leave, if you want essay to write at last. If you want that I will write essay at the end. So do one thing, leave that 3 pages in the beginning. 2.5 page, leave it and then start your letter if you want to do so. But numbering should be same. Question 1, then question 2, then question 3, then question 4, then question 5. This way you have to do. Properly underline it, leave the space in between and then do it. Essay, remember, para should be changed. Essay, I told you, don't write in a stress. 1. Change each and every paragraph. Don't leave line in between, but change after the margin. If this is the margin, you have to start the essay from here. Written till here, then again leave this much line and then start here. Okay, leaving line and then starting. This way you have to change the paragraph in essay. Clear? And letter and all format, you all know it. I have explained also, video also there, in the class also I explained. So follow the format. Before examination, please revise it. Watch the videos once again, at least for the format. You should remember. Format remember, and then only for language paper, because language paper you don't study anything. Feel like a language we can give. But at least watch the format, see the format, and then come for the paper. And grammar exercises keep on solving. Clear? The pattern is clear now? Okay, thank you.